that you are here to join us. We decided to pop on today because we have a terrific suite from Stampin Up that we just fell in love with. Have you seen this tropical sweet Oasis? Oh my goodness, it is wonderful. And you know, it's on page 39 of the mini catalog, right? And if you buy the suite, it's $116. You're gonna qualify for 2 items out of the celebration catalog. And I'm telling you, wait till you see the card that I'm gonna show you today. It is so pretty. Well, you know what? I don't wanna waste your time on a Friday. We're ready for the weekend to start, right? I know I am. So let's go ahead and go down to the crafting table and let's get started. Okay. I want to show you one card that we made. I want to go ahead and show you this. Isn't that lovely? Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Look at the paper we used from the suite. And then we used some pumpkin pie. You also get this embossing folder. And you can, look how that embosses. It's a weave. Is that beautiful? Oh my goodness. And then look at this cute little pineapple. Isn't he cute? You get that, the stamp and the die set. Oh, we just love it. But let's go ahead and get started making the card that we're going to make. So I want you to go ahead and take out your Cajun Craze paper, and you're going to cut it 8.5 by 5.5, and you're going to score it at 4 1/4. Then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and cut out 2 mats, right? Well, the 2 mats that you're going to cut out of are very vanilla because the white is just too stark of a difference, right? So we really like this very vanilla cardstock. So go ahead and cut out the mats, and the mats are 5 1/4 by 4. And then you're going to use your embossing folder, and here's, let me show you what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful? You're going to use that to emboss your paper. So pretty, right? Now, what we want to do first is we want to go ahead and we're going to glue down this mat on our card. So we're just going to get out our liquid glue, and you can use whatever you want. And I hope you can hop on. If you hop on, make a comment and let me know where you're from. Oh, sometimes, you know, if you don't get this, the glue, you have to take it off the end, right? So it'll come out. Yeah, that's what happens. So we're going to go ahead and get it, make sure it's in the crevices. And we are going to use our little mat, and we're going to just hold it down and make sure we get good contact, right? I think you're really going to like this card. It's perfect. It's a perfect handmade greeting card. You know, the whole reason I'm doing this is I have some friends that are going on a cruise, and so we're making these cards for them. They are so cute. Don't you think it's perfect? They're going to the Bahamas. So they're going to have a good time, right? Now, the next thing you need to do is you need to cut you some panels. Now, here's that timeless tropical paper. And you know, the timeless tropical paper comes in sheets of 12 by 12, but let me give you a little tip. So look at what we did. We cut our paper, and then we put it in one of these cases so that we have all these papers ready to go. Okay. So back to this, you're going to need to cut your panels, and your panels are going to be 2 5 1/4. That's for this one, that's the top panel, and this one needs to be a little bigger, so it's 2.5 by 5.5. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our panel down, and let's see, let's just make sure we have this. So we're going to go ahead and put this down on our panel. Oh, I just think these colors, this very vanilla is so perfect with this, isn't it? Now, we are going to just lay this flat down. So we're going to use our glue. And we're going to put it not quite in the center, just over to the side a little bit. Okay, and we're going to hold it down. Now, wait till you see what we have done. We used our die cuts and we cut out this pineapple. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. Now we are going to set him up on some dimensionals. And let's see. Just going to tear some of the ends off. Okay, so we're going to put some dimensionals and we're just going to put it right here. Okay, and we're just going to slip this behind. Here we go. So we're going to use some minis on this one, some mini dimensionals, and that way they won't get in the way. You see the little edges, they all come up, and so do they come up on the leaves too. So cute, right? So we're just going to take the backing off of our little pineapple leaf, and we're going to set him a little bit behind like this. Okay. I think you're really going to like this. Now, let's go ahead and get this glued down, okay? I'm going to have a little mark there, so I'm going to put a little pineapple on that side right there. And you'll never know it. You know, there are no mistakes on cards, right? We can fix them. So we have this. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is I need to have a little sentiment. Now, this is so cute. So, we are going to put this right here on enjoy. Enjoy right there. Okay. Now, we need to have a saying, and our saying is going to be rest and relax. You deserve it. So we're going to put that right here. Okay, welcome everybody that's joined us. Thank you so much. You have joined Creative Moments by G, our Facebook Live. And we are so excited to see you. We are creating this beautiful card with our Tropical Oasis suite from Stampin' Up. And it is so pretty. So we are just going to stamp rest and relax right on the inside, right here, and hold it down. And there we have it. Now, we need a little something on the inside, don't we? Yes, we do. So I think what we're going to use is we are going to use some Memento ink, and we're going to very lightly stamp a little butterfly. And a little pineapple. It's Friday, right? I've already started the weekend here. Okay, so we are going to just kind of put him right in the corner and hold it down. Look at that. Now, we need to color it a little bit, don't we? Okay, we're going to go ahead and just put some green right here on the leaves. And not all over, just kind of give us some green. And then we're going to ever so lightly color our pineapple. Just a little bit to give him some color. Oh my goodness. There we have it. So, here's our card that we created. What do you think about this? Enjoy. Here we have a pineapple. Get everything moved off. And you open it up, rest and relax with a little pineapple. This is a terrific suite to buy. If you're thinking about becoming a customer and you haven't yet with Stampin' Up, this is so much fun. And you can make some matching note cards to give as a gift. You can actually cut this out, put it on a note card, and it is adorable. So here's our first card that we just created. And remember, I showed you this one at the beginning, right? Isn't that beautiful? thinking of you. And here we've raised the pineapple on little dimensionals. Isn't it cute? And then finally, we did this one. We cut out our own beautiful flowers from the set with the leaves, and of course, we used Wink of Stella, right? What do I always say? You can never have too much glitter. Rest and relax, you deserve it. And we used just that beautiful designer series paper. And then look what we did. We colored the little flowers down by the side. And this is so cute. This says, thinking of you today and always. So here are our 3 cards that we created. And I hope that you can see how much fun this card set would be. So, thank you so much for joining us today. We just wanted to pop by, it's Friday, and share these beautiful cards with you. Remember, you can go over to our website, creativemomentsbyg.com, and click on shop, and you can purchase these materials. And don't forget, if you purchase the suite, you will get 2 free items from the Celebration catalog. I mean, really, who doesn't love free items? Well, thank you so much for sharing your time with me today. And if you got a little bit of inspiration from today, would you please give us a thumbs up? We appreciate it so much. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. We upload videos Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And we are going live on YouTube tomorrow at 10 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. So please join us tomorrow. Remember, go out and be creative in your crafting and have a fabulous weekend. We'll see you tomorrow, or we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.